Hi everyone, welcome back to App Guide. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today's tutorial video is going to be about creating a NBA 2K20 account. So 2K20 is basically a video game manager. It's a publisher that helps to bring together different creative, respected and premier brands in gaming all together in a particular platform. So if you want to create your account here and play different forms of games, here you can sign up for the account. So in order to do this, you'll have to follow a set of instructions. Please follow these step-by-step directions in order to sign up for the account. First of all, head over to your web browser and then go to 2k.com. As you go to 2k.com, you land on an interface that looks like this, where on the top left corner you can see an option that says login. Tap on the login option and then you will be directed towards another web page that will look something like this. So wait until the complete processing completes. Now here you will be asked to log into your account, but if you don't have an account yet, what you'll have to simply do is tap on click here in order to create an account. So after doing this, now what you have to do is you can either quick sign up using a certain social network, or you can sign up with your email. So I'm just going to tap on sign up with your email. Now type in your first name here and then also type in your last name. After you do that, type in the email address to your account. Make sure that you type in the correct email address and then confirm the email address by retyping it again. And now what you have to do is you also have to set up a certain password. So for your password, it says here that an uppercase character, a lowercase character, and a number or symbol would be required, and it should be at least of minimum 8 characters. So here I'm just gonna type in my password now and then confirm the password by retyping it and then giving the date of birth. So here I'm just gonna give in my month of birth and then the year of birth. After doing so, select the country or region. So I'm just gonna select the country or region really quickly. And after doing that, tick mark these boxes in order to conform by the terms of policies and the services, then tap on submit. After you tap on submit, it's going to take you a little while in order to have finished creating your account. So wait as patiently as you can. And as you wait for the proceedings to get over, you'll be informed if your account has been created. But before that, it says here that a verification email has been sent to your email. So now head over to your Gmail to see if you've received any from 2K account. So here it looks like I've already received an email, so I'm just going to open it. And as I open it, now I'll have to tap on verify your 2K account. Open it with a certain web browser, anything that looks convenient to you. Here I've opened it through Google Chrome. You can also choose Safari, Opera, or anything else that's on your phone and is available to you. So after doing this, it says here that your account has been successfully verified. Now you can also link your account. You can see different options here to link your account, which means that your account creation has now been very successful. So this is basically how you can create an account into the NBA 2K. I hope this video has been useful to you. If you like the video, do not forget to give it a thumbs up. Also do share and subscribe to App Guides. Thank you for watching. I will see you around next time.